Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric guitars that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Pyle Heavy Metal EG Fire Electric Guitar Axe. This guitar is designed with beginners and heavy metal enthusiasts in mind. Its standout feature is the dual humbucker pickups, which provide rich, thick tones ideal for rock and metal genres. The flame-inspired design in matte black makes this guitar visually striking, perfect for players who want to stand out on stage. The included 10-watt amplifier, though small, delivers decent volume and tone controls, making it suitable for practice sessions. In terms of build quality, the body is made from lightweight paulownia wood, paired with a Canadian maple neck for durability. However, the fretboard is made from engineered wood, which may not offer the same premium feel as rosewood or maple. The guitar comes as part of a full starter package, including a gig bag, spare strings, strap, picks, and more. So it's a great value for beginners. While the guitar delivers solid performance for its price point, the amp's sound quality may fall short for intermediate or advanced players seeking deeper tonal customization. Overall, this is a solid entry-level guitar kit, perfect for aspiring metal musicians on a budget. At number 4, we have the Ibanez GIO RG miKro electric guitar in Blue Burst. This compact guitar is specifically designed for players with smaller hands or those looking for a travel-friendly instrument. Featuring a 22.2-inch scale length and 24 frets, it provides excellent playability for younger players or those new to the electric guitar. The high-output Infinity R pickups deliver a sharp, versatile sound, making this guitar suitable for a wide range of genres, from rock to blues. The body is constructed from basswood, which is lightweight yet durable, and the maple neck ensures smooth fretting and fast playing. The blue burst finish gives the guitar an attractive, modern look. Unlike many entry-level models, this guitar comes equipped with a hardtail bridge, which provides excellent tuning stability, especially for beginners who might not need a tremolo system. While the Ibanez GIO RG miKro excels in portability and design, it's not ideal for players seeking a full-size guitar experience or more advanced tonal versatility. However, this guitar is perfect for younger musicians or anyone in need of a compact, reliable option for practice or travel. Coming in at number 3, we have the LyxPro 39-inch electric guitar kit bundle. Designed specifically for beginners, this all-in-one package includes everything you need to start playing right away, from the full-size guitar to the 20-watt amplifier. The guitar itself features a Canadian maple neck and rosewood fingerboard, offering smooth playability and decent tonal range. The SSS pickup configuration provides versatile sound options suitable for a variety of genres, from pop to rock. The amplifier is a standout feature, with integrated controls for gain, bass, treble, and volume, plus a headphone jack for quiet practice sessions. The included accessories such as a digital clip-on tuner, shoulder strap, and case bag make this kit incredibly convenient for beginners who want to dive into playing without additional purchases. While the LyxPro bundle offers great value, the guitar's build quality might not satisfy intermediate players looking for a more premium feel or advanced features. However, for those just starting on their musical journey, this kit is a fantastic choice, and the included items make it a perfect gift for aspiring musicians. At number 2, we have the Ibanez GIO Series GRX70QA in transparent emerald burst. This guitar is known for its stunning design, featuring a quilted maple art grain top that catches the light beautifully. The slim maple neck and 25.5-inch scale length make this guitar a pleasure to play, especially for those who enjoy faster fretting and smooth transitions. The Infinity R pickups offer high output and versatility, allowing players to explore genres like rock, jazz, and blues with ease. The body is constructed from poplar wood, which contributes to its lightweight feel without sacrificing durability. The tremolo bridge adds an extra layer of expressiveness, making it ideal for players who like to experiment with pitch bends and vibrato. While it doesn't come with additional accessories, the guitar itself is a reliable option for both beginners and intermediate players. One downside is that this guitar may not suit players seeking a more traditional or vintage tone, as its pickups are geared toward modern sounds. However, for its price and performance, the GRX70QA is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade from a beginner model or dive into more advanced playing techniques. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.